Imagine this. An advanced alien civilization discovers Earth. They begin observing us, fascinated by the dominant life form, humans. They begin to study us in detail. Now, in your view, how would they perceive us? Would they see us as fragmented groups defined by nations, cultures, and religion? Or as a singular, interconnected species? Would they attribute our achievements to individual geniuses? Or would they recognize them as the result of a collective effort? A species thriving on cooperation and shared knowledge? In this video, we'll dive into the profound concept of collective consciousness. How the interconnectedness of humanity influences our existence, drives our progress, and holds the potential to redefine our future. We'll explore how a truly global consciousness could propel humanity toward utopian living standards, breaking barriers that have held us back for centuries. By the end, you may find yourself viewing humanity and your role within it from a whole new perspective. So stick around till the end of this video, because it's going to get interesting. Right now, we're living in the most connected era in human history. The internet and globalization have dissolved many barriers of communication, culture, and distance. Today, a dance routine in one country can go viral worldwide overnight. Platforms like Wikipedia provide a shared repository of human knowledge accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Social media allows us to connect with people thousands of miles away, sharing cultures, ideas, and even emotions in real time. This unprecedented level of connection is teaching us something profound. Every life contributes to a larger system, from small actions like creating a viral video to large-scale movements for justice. We're becoming aware that humanity is not just a collection of individuals, it's a single, interconnected organism. If we strip away the superficial differences, like languages, borders, ethnicities, and religion, we find that we all share the same basic needs, emotions, and aspirations. But what unites us on a deeper level is the remarkable ability of communication. Humans are unique in their ability to share complex ideas through language, stories, and symbols. This ability is what sets us apart from other species. For example, while bees communicate about food sources through specific dances, humans can discuss abstract concepts, predict future outcomes, and build plans to achieve shared goals. It's through communication that we align our minds with others, working together to achieve feats far beyond the capabilities of any single individual. Without communication, our superior intelligence would be wasted. This phenomena causes coordination, which is the foundation of teamwork, and teamwork is the engine of progress. When individuals come together as a team, their behavior is similar to how organs function within a human body. Each organ performs a unique role, but all work together to sustain a single yet complex life. Similarly, in a team, every person has a specific role, yet the success of the whole depends on the cooperation of all its members towards the shared task. Let's take this a step further. The human body is made up of trillions of cells, each performing specialized tasks. Some transport oxygen, others defend against infections. These cells interact intelligently with their environment, communicating with one another to maintain balance and sustain life. However, a single cell doesn't understand the vast, complex organism it supports. Its role is essential, but its awareness is limited. Now consider humanity as a macroorganism. Just as cells sustain a body, every human contributes to the larger system of society. From mundane tasks like commuting to work to life-changing innovations in medicine, each action feeds into a collective whole. And, like the cells in our body, we might not fully comprehend the grand system we're a part of, the mighty organism of humanity that we cannot comprehend with our limited intelligence. Yet we drive it forward. This phenomenon of shared effort and understanding is known as collective consciousness. It refers to the invisible connection that arises when individuals work together toward a common goal. It's the reason why teams can outperform individuals and why societies can achieve monumental progress through cooperation. Consider space exploration. No single person could put a man on the moon. It required thousands of engineers, scientists, and workers, all aligned toward one vision. Their shared knowledge and collective focus turned what once seemed impossible into reality. At its core, collective consciousness isn't just about achieving goals. It's about recognizing that we're all part of a larger system. Whether we're aware of it or not, our actions contribute to something greater than ourselves. Our current level of global connectivity is revealing this concept more clearly than ever. For the first time in history, people from around the world can unite over shared concerns. When a crisis occurs, whether it's a natural disaster, a social injustice, or even a war, millions of people can rally together to offer support, demand change, or raise awareness. Institutions like the United Nations, World Health Organization, and global peacekeepers reflect this growing understanding that humanity's survival and well-being are interconnected. The COVID-19 pandemic, for instance, was a stark reminder that the health of one nation affects the entire world. Global consciousness occurs when an individual's awareness expands beyond their immediate team, organization, or group to encompass the entirety of humanity. This shift in perspective fosters a sense of unity where each person views themselves as an integral part of the collective whole. At its heart, this state reflects the foundation of a utopian society, one built on coherence, harmony, and mutual understanding. This concept is echoed throughout history and across disciplines. Religious texts emphasize loving one's neighbor as oneself, while renowned philosophers and thinkers, such as Immanuel Kant and Martin Luther King Jr., have highlighted the moral duty of unity and empathy. They remind us that each human being in the world is a reflection of ourselves, a mirror of shared experiences. This idea of interconnectedness isn't new. Philosophies and religions have explored it for centuries. Hinduism speaks of Brahman, the universal consciousness that connects all souls. Buddhism teaches dependent origination, the principle that everything exists in relation to everything else. Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, described the world as one family, with everyone as brothers and sisters. Modern science is also uncovering evidence of our innate connectivity. Neuroscience has discovered mirror neurons, brain cells that allow us to feel empathy and share emotions. When you see someone smile, your brain mirrors their joy, creating a shared experience. In quantum physics, the phenomenon of entanglement shows how particles remain connected regardless of distance. Could human minds too be entangled in an unseen web of thoughts and ideas? As we grow more connected, our collective awareness increases. Imagine a future where people understand that harming another is essentially harming oneself. Discrimination and division would dissolve, replaced by collaboration and compassion. In such a world, humanity's focus would shift to solving real problems, eradicating poverty, combating climate change, advancing technology for the greater good. The potential of a united humanity is limitless. But unity doesn't mean losing individuality. Just as cells retain their unique roles within a body, every person has a unique contribution to make. The magic lies in harmonizing these individual efforts to serve a shared purpose. We stand at the threshold of a transformative era, one where humanity begins to recognize itself as a single, interconnected organism. The more we embrace this awareness, the greater our ability to unlock the immense potential of collective unity. Together, we have the power to achieve extraordinary milestones. But the question remains, will we awaken to this understanding in time to shape a harmonious world? Or will it take generations of struggle to fully materialize such a vision? The choice is ours to make, and the future depends on it. If this video inspired or resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and spread these ideas. I'd also love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and share your perspective. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and take care.